Your ChatGPT, let's make a video for you to see, you know, the noise that it's making and how it sounds when building Boost.